It's the weekend and you can't stop. So we're going to the local dance spot or go into our favorite blog, Live Well Jamaica, to check out this week's most amazing Jamaican stories. Hi guys, I'm Kriss-Ann, your hostess with the mostest, and I'm welcoming you back to this week's installment of Gimme Five, Live Well Jamaica's top 5 stories for this week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on that notification button so you can be updated when we post new videos. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. So the stories that you can expect this week are Sandals host reunion week, learn more about the Men Express Do Not Suppress campaign, and introducing our perspective blog, Bumbleclots, which is like a bad word here in Jamaica, but you know, we're taking back power over our words. Yes, we are. We are. So we'll be introducing what's the worst that could Bumbleclot happen, which will Bumbleclot quiet, and teachers. Bumbleclot focus on your own mental health first. Right? Okay. So, guys, from April 5th to the 9th, Sandals held a reunion week at their Sandals McGrill property. It was crazy. They had themed nights. They even had a burlesque night. It was crazy, like roaring 40s and roaring 20s. It was amazing. Check out the photo highlights on our blog. And moving on to the next one in the Wagwan section, learn more about the Men Express Do Not Suppress campaign. This campaign is spearheaded by our interns Jade Cross and Yasin Dugmat, and is just about helping emotionally unavailable men express their emotions in a safe way. Because, you know, men have feelings too, guys. Now, moving on to what's the worst that could Bumbleclot happen? This is a perspective piece on the effects of men suppressing their emotions. I mean, guys, really? Yes. Men have feelings too, and we want you to be able to express how you feel without, you know, the violence, the anger. Check out this piece on our blog. As always, all these stories will be linked below in the description. Next story we have on our list is Which Will Bumbleclot Quiet? This story was written by Kriss-Ann Ford and seeks to dismantle the stigma on men seeking therapy. Therapy is not only for women. She has some pretty good resources here in this story and in this article, sorry. And I really want you guys to check it out. As usual, link is below. And don't forget, guys, drop a comment. I want to hear what you think. And last, but by no means least, we have teachers. Bumbleclot focus on your mental health first. Now, guys, I love kids as much as the next person, but let's be honest, they can be pretty stressful. This piece was written by another intern of ours, Miss Beyonce Thomas, and we'd love for you to check it out and leave your comments on how you think persons can address anxiety and depression in the workplace. And without further ado, that's our stories for this week. If you have any other story that you'd like to share or be featured on our blog, feel free to email us at info@livewellja.com or check us out on socials, DM us, send us a message. We love to hear from you guys. You know, it's our blog, our stories, one Jamaica. And that's it for this week. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I'm your host, Kriss-Ann, signing off. And as always, wishing you all the love in the world. Live in peace, live in love, live well Jamaica. Bye, guys.